Every great coach knows that their most powerful tool isn't a method or a model, it's their attitude. The mindset you bring to a conversation determines whether you limit someone's potential or help them set it free. Beliefs are just ideas, rarely truths. Every client carries beliefs about who they are and what's possible. Your role isn't to accept those beliefs, but to help them see that beliefs can change. And when they do, life changes too. Every behavior is fueled by positive intent. Even unhelpful actions serve a purpose. When you look for the intent behind behavior, you replace judgment with understanding, and that's where change begins. The motivation behind behavior is a mystery. Stay curious. Ask what might be driving this, rather than assuming you already know. Most people act from their own inner turmoil. People don't need to be fixed, they need to be understood. People respond more to perception than to reality. As a coach, you can help them adjust the lens and see possibility where they once saw limits. Life doesn't come with deadlines, only people do. Growth happens in its own time. Create space for it, not pressure. All people are capable of profound personal growth. There are no bad people, just dysfunctional behaviors. Everyone makes the best decisions they can in the moment. All things are possible with the right attitude and strategy. Belief opens the door, action walks through it. Coaching that doesn't enable personal growth isn't coaching. So, hold fast to these attitudes. Believe in people when they forget to believe in themselves. Stay curious, stay compassionate, and always see potential before problems. Because when a coach brings this kind of mindset, lives change.